What's the difference between the free plan and the pro plan for Remember the Milk? Let's talk about it. So all you do is just go to rememberthemilk.com/upgrade, as you can see in the URL bar here. And you're going to have this landing page with a big upgrade button with the price, $39.99 per year. Is it worth it? Let's scroll. Let's find out. They're going to give you subtasks. You're going to get unlimited sharing. You're going to be able to color your tags, advanced sorting, attach files to your tasks, get reminded, badges and widgets, man, on your watch, get inspired with themes, connect with if this then that, sync with Microsoft Outlook, work offline, and of course our favorite, unlimited storage. You can't get enough of that stuff these days. There's a VIP treatment section here, so get double votes in the forum for ideas and whatnot. Early access to new features and priority support. So honestly, looking at all this stuff, it's actually pretty good. And they have their mascot here, Bob. Make Bob happy. I'm a little confused why their mascot is a monkey and not a cow. That just kind of slips my mind. I'll have to ask them one of these days. And then at the bottom of the page, you're going to have your plan comparison. Basic over here, pro over here. So the basic plan has what you'd expect. It has the all the versions of the app, web, desktop, mobile, syncing between all of them, of course. Integration with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Evernote. Add tasks with email, Alexa, Siri, and Twitter. That's actually pretty good for basic. Give tasks to others and reminders via email, text, IM, and Twitter. So those are your basic features. And then if you look down here, they list all the things that we just scrolled through. So they have, reminders, share list, advanced sharing permissions, subtasks, advanced sorting and grouping, choose from themes. Oh, that's a new thing that they didn't mention. Themes, I'm actually a big fan of customizing themes. So that's something that I would definitely pay for. Color tags, attachments, work offline, which is really convenient. Badges and widgets, Apple Watch app, sync with Microsoft Outlook, if this then that, early access. So basically, their beta version of the app, I'm assuming. Priority support and archive of completed tasks. Oh, so if you don't have the pro version, you can only see the last 7 days of your completed task. All right, so honestly, how much was it again? $39.99 a year. It's not bad. It really, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I mean, considering that you get over 100 themes and you can work offline. I mean, full archive, beta access. I mean, some of these features might speak more to you than others, but I think it's a pretty good deal. This video isn't really a review on on these options here, but I just wanted to show you what Remember the Milk had to offer for their pro plan. I personally think it's worth it. If you're already a user of Remember the Milk, I definitely would definitely recommend upgrading. If you're still shopping around and you're not really sure what type of to-do list app that you're going to be using in the long run, I would say just sign up and just see if you like at least the basics. Just see if you like the basics of the app, and if you feel like you're really happy with Remember the Milk, then yeah, I'd say upgrade. I mean, they're giving you quite a bit of stuff here. So anyway, that's the plan comparison for Remember the Milk. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.